So, massacre at the Bull Ring yesterday.
Yes, absolute massacre, absolute carnage is the word actually. But Sanju Samson, I think he is consistently now proving my point. वही duck duck, फिर
Huh.
century, फिर duck duck, फिर century. So
इस बार ही
I was
उसका
very, I was very happy with the batting. I was very happy with the results. But my doubt still stays. कि यार, this is not the way. This is not consistency for sure. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आप अच्छा मत करो, अच्छा ही करो, हर मैच में करो, बट फिर उसके जब ना अच्छा करो तब सीधा जीरो पे मत आ जाओ. सो दैट इज येट टू बी सीन.
I live with the fact कि कई लोगों के पूरे T20 करियर में 300 नहीं होते. इसने एक महीने में 300 मार लिए. So I'll possibly take that as a very very small sign of consistency for whatever it's worth.
फॉर राइट नाउ, फॉर दिस टाइम
Right now.
पीरियड, see, I am still looking at him as somebody who's been there for 10 years, you know.
He has a lot of covering up to do. उसमें तो कोई
A lot
doubt.
of covering up, so I don't mind if he does this going forward throughout, कि मैं
I
हर
think,
तीसरे मैच में 100 मारूंगा, फिर 2 मैच में डक करूंगा, चौथे में वापस 100 मारूंगा, then I'm okay with it.
but I think इस साल definitely India का best T20 year रहा है. I think since the existence of
Yes,
T20 cricket, 24 out of 26 matches to win in a year where there has been a transition in the team as well. I think it is a
absolutely.
phenomenal achievement.
When at the time when all the big names left the game,
Yes, yes, yes.
all the match winners
Even,
left the
even
game.
the existing big names, whether it's Bumrah, whether it's Jaiswal, they're not part of almost 50% of those matches.
Correct, correct, correct.
So, in fact, कईयों में तो हार्दिक भी नहीं था जैसे. So, keeping that in mind, I think it's a phenomenal achievement. At least while we keep criticizing what has happened in the test matches, we must appreciate कि एक format को तो literally India has owned like a boss.
Like a boss. और साउथ अफ्रीका को आई थिंक कल तो उनका दिमागी संतुलन खराब हो गया, बिकॉज आई थिंक दे लॉस्ट इट कंप्लीटली.
कपड़े फाड़
उनका
दिए ना उनके. ऐसे कौन मारता है?
उनका
It's like
सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट चला गया, उनका आई थिंक कॉन्फिडेंस टूट गया, सब खत्म हो गया. वो व्हेन दे केम आउट टू बैट, आई थॉट ये क्या करेंगे, विल दे पुट अप अ फाइट, विल दे गो फॉर इट. देख रहा हूँ 10 रन के अंदर तो 4 विकेट गिर गई. And they were like completely good bowling. Obviously, Arshdeep did, send in
Arshdeep
a
did a
couple of really
fantastic
good
job.
ones.
Yes, yes, yes.
Fantastic job. But again, nothing from there. Nothing from their side. And all the big names. Klasen bhi nahi kuch kiya. Makram has been anyway, up and down. Rickelton se I was hoping कि young blood कुछ करेगा. Nobody
जैसे
put their
ना हांगकांग सिक्सेस लग रहा था. I mean, they were toying with their bowling. I mean, कुछ
serious.
आना है जो कर रहे थे.
Yes, yes.
At one
तभी तो
point,
इतने सारे छक्के मारे, इतने छक्के मारे.
you
For
felt bad for them at one point. ये क्या कर रहे हैं? ये murder हो रहा है literally.
that reverse sweep that went for a six, Tilak Verma ने जो मारा, that was it a switch hit? Was it a reverse sweep? Something in between the two shots. क्या था वो? और ऐसा करके पता नहीं कहाँ से उसने पहुंचा दिया उधर.
ये अच्छी लगी. वो लोग कभी भी स्लो नहीं हुए. 100 के
नहीं,
आसपास वो मारते रहे. ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि इन लोग में से कोई आउट हो जाता तो शायद 10-15 रन और बन जाते.
नहीं, they played for the team. They did not go for their individual statistics. That was very clear. That which is good. I think this team has that overall. I've not seen. In fact, जो एक अपने को I think पुराने 20 साल पहले दिखता था कि कोई प्लेयर अपने लिए खेलता था. अपने 50
वाले में उतना नहीं लग रहा है. And I think from being laggards in 2022, I mean, just almost 2-2.5 साल पहले की ही बात है, to having reached where you are actually setting benchmarks in T20 cricket, I think it's been a great journey. And I think while Rohit's career in T20 has been a mixed bag, but great from the perspective of winning trophies, but I think उसकी legacy, रोहित की सारी ट्रॉफीज जो उसने जीती नहीं रहेगी, बट द फैक्ट दैट उसने जो कल्चर सेट किया इंटेंट का एंड प्लेइंग सेल्फलेसली का, आई थिंक दैट without a doubt has to be attributed to him. I think
absolutely. And
I criticize him for the test series captaincy against New Zealand. ये वाले पे उसने बहुत बढ़िया काम किया है. वो जो छोड़ के गया ना लेगेसी, that will hold India in good stead.
This will go down in history. Yes. Yeah, that just that will always be one of the things that Rohit has given to Indian cricket. Apart from all the hitting and all the scores that he's made, this will be one thing that he'll be remembered for. Always.
Yes. And think about it, आज भी इतना मार के भी फास्टेस्ट T20 100 का रिकॉर्ड अभी भी रोहित के पास ही है. अभी
Yes.
भी लोग तोड़ नहीं पाए इतना मार के भी. So
Yes.
कहीं ना कहीं he has said that. And then look at it now, these are all Rohit's boys. Surya, Tilak, Bumrah,
The whole
Hardik.
team, this entire team is Rohit boys only.
हाँ, उसका भी एक परछाई देख सकते हो इन सब में.
Absolutely.
So and वो रहेगा. In a
Even
sense,
even in the test team, if you see, all these youngsters are all सब रोहित के बच्चे हैं.
हाँ.
जब on that note, रोहित का भी बच्चा आ गया अभी.
Yes, good news.
So good.
Hopefully he'll reach in time for the first test. Otherwise, second test to hai.
Yes.
And but I think it's a good series result, good year end for the T20 team. A well deserved end to a fantastic T20 year for India. Much as we would want the team to perform well in all three formats, many a times it's not that easy. But I think इस एक format को तो literally India ने own कर दिया इस साल. I mean, nobody is a patch on India. I think 21 centuries India की T20 team ने मारी. The second best is 12. इतना gap है India में and the rest of the world.
And equally, on the other hand, I think for South Africa, a lot of questions need to be answered. They'll have to do some soul searching now. Literally soul searching करनी पड़ेगी. I think their morale must be broken right now. That dressing room must be in shambles.
They made a lot of money from this series. I'm guessing that's why they put this series in a time like this.
Yes.
They utilize that money to good use now.
Absolutely.
And build more players, create more infrastructure. Team तो है उनकी, ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत बुरी team है. A team which reached the finals 5 months back cannot be such a bad team after all. But
one good thing in this series, we got to see the middle order was also tested. ऐसा भी हुआ कि because when the 2 times that Samson got out, the pressure was on the others. We also almost kind of एक वो 120 वाले score maybe we did.
Varun with those heap of wickets, almost 13-14, he clearly came out as a rising star. I think Arshdeep did a fantastic job, almost 10-12 wickets. I think Abhishek played well in the last 2 matches. These guys almost won 2 matches for us single.
Tilak Verma, मांग के उसने 3rd number का spot लिया captain से और किया.
पकड़ लिया. तो I think 5-6 लोगों ने perform किया, which is a great thing. I think
it's good. Yeah, it's a good percentage. 60-70% of your team is doing really well. The others, get that little breathing space also. So
literally एक joke था कि संजू और इसको याद दिलाओ तिलक वर्मा को कि वो लोग को रिटेन कर दिया फ्रेंचाइजीज ने. इतना मारने पे भी एक्स्ट्रा नहीं मिलने वाला है. So I think it's a good 2025 that Indian T20 cricket can look forward to. Because I think nucleus तो साइड का यही रहने वाला है 26 के वर्ल्ड कप में.
Absolutely.
Just throw in a
दो आगे पीछे शायद हो जाए. Yeah.
Throw in a Bumrah and a Jaiswal, but by and large ही रहेगा.
Yeah. Bumrah Jaiswal आएंगे. I think Ramandeep did not. He got a couple of chances, but he didn't get really anywhere.
कोई chance नहीं मिला. So will we? I mean, he has IPL.
He has the IPL to prove himself now. Yeah.
Yes. So great. Let's now look forward to the big Australian series and only to that series because अभी तो मैं तो sure हूँ final के लिए तो दिल्ली दूर नहीं बहुत दूर है.
Yes. I think
even if India can win the series anyhow, forget the final. That itself will be a great achievement. Third on the trot. So let's look forward to the next episode on that.
I just want to shut that punter up once and for all. I think so that is my target.
Yes.
Let's hope our players give us that kind of results.
Yes.
That we get that. I wouldn't mind trolling him.
So look forward to the next episode then before the Australian series.
Yeah, let's talk about the series next time.
Yes.
Sure.
Okay.
Bye.